How to rank in Google search results in 2022. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan from howtorank.com with a quick video about the best SEO course of 2022. Of course, I'm talking about my own course, howtorank.com, but I'm here to tell you why I think this is the best SEO training you will find in 2022. First of all, it's going to show you how to rank on page one of Google search results over and over again using free websites. That's right, these websites don't cost a thing. All you need is an email address to set them up, and you can be ranking on page one of Google. Now, you're going to be able to do this even if you have no experience, even if you've never made a website before. This training is going to show you in 7 days how to use free online assets like social media, blogs, and forums to rank your website number one. Again, the free website that doesn't cost you a thing to create. So if you want free traffic from Google search results in 2022, you need to check this out. Here's the kind of stuff you're going to learn in this 7 day training. By the end of the week, you're going to know how to identify and locate your target audience, how to analyze and copy, ethically, of course, your top competitors, how to find all of the high value keywords that other people miss, how to create and optimize social media accounts for business. This is very important. How to quickly create engaging content that Google just cannot resist. In other words, how to create content that Google puts on the first page of search results for everybody searching your keyword to see. Now, I'm also going to show you how to create a YouTube channel without even showing your face. And if that's not cool enough, on day 7, you're going to learn how to quickly build free websites that rank on Google. And on top of that, I have 3 bonus videos for you. Video 1 is going to show you how to erase the background of any image in seconds, and that's going to come in handy when you go to create thumbnails for your YouTube videos and graphics for your website. In video 2, I'm going to show you how to use a graphic design tool called Canva to create, again, more graphics and logos and designs for your website. In video 3, I'm going to show you how to create automated sales videos using a secret tool. Now, I actually have a 4th bonus video that's not even listed on the sales page here, where I'm going to share with you my best black hat SEO secrets if you want to get even more out of your search engine optimization strategy in 2022. So you can get started with this SEO training for free. You get the first 3 days for free. So go ahead, check out howtorank.com and click the button to get started for free. If you're still not convinced, check out this review from Joe Crammond at Social Media Solutions Plus and hear what he had to say about my training after he was able to start getting new leads for his clients in the first week. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you're interested in checking out the best SEO course of 2022 so that you can learn how to rank on the first page of Google, then check out my website, howtorank.com, and start your free 3 day trial of the best SEO course of 2022. Take care, everybody, and I can't wait to see your website on the first page of Google search results.